Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever found yourself squinting at tiny numbers in a Google Sheet spreadsheet, or maybe wishing you could see more data at once without endless scrolling, today's video is for you. We're diving into how to zoom in and out of Google Sheets quickly and easily so you can customize your view and work more comfortably. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know a couple of different ways to adjust your zoom, whether you want to get a closer look at the details or pull back for the big picture. Alright, let's jump right in. The most straightforward way to change your zoom level in Google Sheets is by using the built-in menu. Start by opening your spreadsheet and then look towards the top of the page for the View menu. This is where a lot of display options live. Give it a click and you'll notice an option right there labeled Zoom. Go ahead and select that. What you'll see next is a list of different percentage options, like 50%, 75%, 100%, and so on, all the way up to 200%. These percentages control how much bigger or smaller everything in your sheet will appear. Let's say the default size feels a little cramped, or maybe the numbers are just a bit too small for comfort. Clicking on 125% or 150% will enlarge everything, making your sheet easier to read. On the other hand, if you want to see more data at once, or you're working on a really large table, picking a smaller percentage like 75% zooms out, giving you a wider view. Take a second to experiment here and pick a size that feels comfortable for you. It's honestly amazing how much more pleasant working in Google Sheets can be with just this simple tweak. Now let's say you're someone who loves keyboard shortcuts or just wants to zoom in and out super quickly without touching the menus. There's a great trick for that. All you need is your keyboard and your mouse. You'll start by pressing and holding down the Control key on your keyboard. If you're on a Mac, you'll use the Command key instead. Just a quick note there. While you're holding that key, move your mouse over the sheet and scroll up or down using your mouse wheel. Scrolling up will zoom in and make everything larger, while scrolling down will zoom out. It's basically like having a zoom lens at your fingertips. You'll see the sheet grow or shrink in real time, adjusting instantly to whatever size you want. This method is fantastic if you need to switch between different views quickly, maybe when you're comparing details or sharing your screen with someone and want to make things more readable. Don't worry if the first try feels a bit awkward. After a couple of attempts, this will become second nature and you'll wonder how you ever worked without it. And that's really all there is to it. Adjusting the zoom in Google Sheets is a small step, but it can make a huge difference in how efficient and comfortable your workflow feels. Try out both methods and see which one fits your style best. Thanks so much for watching. If this video helped you, please give it a like and consider subscribing to the channel for more straightforward tutorials just like this one. And if you have any questions or if there's another tip you'd like to learn, drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help. See you in the next video.